Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful technique to improve English speaking, and that technique is shadowing practice. Now you might be thinking, what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing simply means listening to someone speaking in English and then repeating it at the same time like their shadow. It almost like copying their voice, their tone, and their rhythm. Why is shadowing so powerful? Because it trains your brain and your tongue together. You don't just learn words, you learn how to sound natural. You pick up pronunciation, you pick up speed, and you also pick up confidence. Let me tell you how you can do it step by step. Step number one, choose your material. It can be a short video clip, it can be a podcast, or it can even be a movie dialogue. But start small. Don't take something too difficult in the beginning. Step number two, listen carefully. Before you start repeating, just listen once or twice. Understand how the speaker is using words. Notice their pauses, notice their energy, and notice their pronunciation. Step number three, start shadowing. Now, play the audio again. And as a speaker talk, you also talk with them. Try to keep up their speed. Try to match their tone. Even if you don't understand every single word, keep going. Don't stop. And step number four, repeat and record yourself. After shadowing 2 or 3 times, record your own voice and then compare it with the original. Ask yourself, I am close to their pronunciation? Am I matching their tone? Am I sounding smoother than before? And now, step number five, make it your daily habit. Just 5 to 10 minutes every day is enough. But the key is consistency. If you do this daily, in 1 month you will notice a big change in your fluency. Now, let me share a small tip. You don't need to choose boring content. Choose something that excites you. If you like movie, shadow a movie scene. If you like motivation, shadow a speech. And if you like comedy, shadow a funny clip. The more you enjoy it, the longer you will practice. And remember, shadowing is not about perfection. It's about practice. Even if you make mistake, that's okay. The goal is to train your tongue and your brain to work together. So from today, make shadowing your friend. Start small, be consistent, and slowly you will see yourself transforming from a beginner to a confident English speaker. And thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comment what video or the audio will you shadow today. I will see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep growing. Till then, bye bye.